OBD2 scanners quickly detect engine problems, reduce repair costs, improve maintenance, and help prevent breakdowns through early fault diagnosis. Today's video is about top 5 best OBD2 scanners for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ANCEL Heavy Duty Truck Scanner. The HD430 Heavy Duty Truck Diagnostic Scanner is a highly capable and versatile tool designed for truck owners, DIY users, and small repair shops. It offers wide compatibility with 12V/24V trucks and supports multiple connectors including Cat9, diesel 6-pin, 9-pin, and standard OBD2 16-pin, making it suitable for a broad range of heavy-duty vehicles. With support for major protocols such as J1939, J1708, and ISO standards, it ensures accurate and fast diagnostics. One of its standout features is DPF regeneration support for Cummins and Caterpillar engines, helping clear diesel particulate buildup, reduce fault codes, and extend engine life. It also provides full system diagnostics covering engine, ABS, transmission, and fuel systems, along with live data and DTC lookup for easy troubleshooting. The 4.3-inch display, built-in memory, Wi-Fi updates, and user-friendly design enhance usability. Backed by strong technical support and warranty, the HD430 is a reliable and cost-effective solution for heavy-duty truck maintenance. Now our second product is a premium professional OBD2 scanner for car. The AD200 OBD2 scanner is a powerful and user-friendly diagnostic tool designed for both beginners and experienced car owners. With over 15 built-in functions, it supports reading and clearing fault codes, I/M readiness checks, evap and O2 sensor tests, freeze frame data, and real-time data streaming. This allows users to quickly identify engine warning light, mail, issues and reset them with ease. Its enhanced data processing capability is a major advantage, reading up to 50 live parameters such as RPM, coolant temperature, fuel pressure, and airflow. The ability to display real-time data in visual graphs makes diagnosing issues more intuitive and time-efficient. It also supports VIN retrieval and diagnostic report generation for professional use. The device features a 2.4-inch color screen, shortcut keys for quick operation, and a clear warning system, green/yellow/red, to indicate vehicle health status. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles from 1996 to 2024, the AD200 is a reliable and efficient automotive diagnostic solution. Our third product is XTOOL OBD2 Scanner for car. The XTOOL D6 is a budget-friendly yet highly capable full-system diagnostic scanner designed to bring professional-level car diagnostics to home mechanics, DIY users, and beginner technicians. It bridges the gap between basic OBD2 readers and expensive workshop-grade tools, offering dealer-like functionality at a much lower cost. With support for 15+ advanced service functions such as oil reset, EPB, BMS, ABS bleeding, injector coating, throttle and transmission relearns, it helps users handle maintenance tasks that would normally require costly shop visits. Its full system coverage includes ECM, TCM, ABS, SRS, HVAC, and more, allowing deep diagnostics across all major vehicle systems. Features like auto VIN detection, live data streaming, up to 4 PIDs, FCA AutoAuth, and CAN-FD support ensure fast, accurate, and modern vehicle compatibility. The built-in DTC library, voltage display, and Wi-Fi lifetime updates further enhance usability. With a rugged design, 5.45-inch touchscreen, and wide vehicle compatibility across 90+ brands, the XTOOL D6 is a powerful and reliable long-term investment for smarter vehicle maintenance. Now number 4, FOXWELL OBD2 Scanner Car Battery Tester. The FOXWELL NT301 Plus is a practical 2-in-1 diagnostic tool that combines engine code reading with battery health testing, making it a smart choice for DIYers and everyday car owners. It offers a larger 2.8-inch color display for clearer results, improving readability compared to standard entry-level scanners. When the check engine light appears, this device quickly identifies the issue and provides plain English DTC explanations through its built-in library. Users can also access live data such as RPM, coolant temperature, and fuel trims, helping pinpoint problems accurately before heading to a mechanic. A standout feature is its advanced 12V battery testing capability, which checks SOH, cranking performance, and charging status with high accuracy. This helps prevent unexpected battery failures and roadside breakdowns. It also supports I/M readiness checks and EVAP testing for emissions-related diagnostics, ensuring vehicles are inspection ready. With live data recording and playback, users can analyze deeper engine behavior. Overall, the NT301 Plus is a reliable, budget-friendly scanner that pays for itself by reducing unnecessary repair shop visits. And our last choice is Autel Professional OBD2 Scanner for car. The Autel AL319 is a simple, reliable, and beginner-friendly OBD2 scanner designed to quickly diagnose and clear check engine light (CL) issues. It supports reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, live data viewing, freeze frame information, I/M readiness status, and vehicle information, helping users identify problems early and avoid unnecessary repair costs. With its plug-and-play design, the AL319 is ideal for DIY users and everyday car owners who want fast and easy access to vehicle diagnostics without technical complexity. The interface is straightforward, making it easy even for first-time users to operate confidently. It is compatible with most 1996 plus OBDI-compliant vehicles, including popular brands like Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Ford, and supports multiple languages for global usability. The device features a clear TFT color display, one-click I/M readiness testing, LED indicators, and a built-in speaker for easy interpretation of results. Its compact design and long cable improve convenience during use, and no batteries are required. Overall, the Autel AL319 is a dependable entry-level scanner offering essential diagnostic functions and strong value for everyday car maintenance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.